Guys, look at this. From destruction straight to hope. Ganito kabilis kumilos ang gobyerno kapag si PBBM ang nasa harap lahat ng ahensya sabay-sabay kumikilos. Ang galing, di ba? La Union and Pangasinan just showed us the truth. With a leader who truly cares, recovery moves fast. Walang paligoy-ligoy. Let's break it down. The moment PBBM arrived, one order went out. Full deployment. Right now. Immediately, DSWD, DOH, DOLE, DA, BFR, DPWH, DOE, and NEA. Lahat yan kumilos sabay-sabay. Literal na buong gobyerno umandar in one. This is the service we need real action, not press conferences. Relief packs, kits, medical missions, all rolled out fast, with people as the priority. Every move made with heart. The community's backbone came first. Farmers and fisherfolk got fish fingerlings, repaired boats, emergency loans, and full farm support. This isn't just quick relief. This is real, lasting recovery. Ramdam mo yung malasakit kasi hindi lang immediate needs ang sinagot. Even livelihoods nawasak. Binuhay ulit. Relief came fast, but rebuilding didn't wait. Roads cleared in hours, classrooms fixed, baywalks restored, power back online action first, talk later. That's real leadership at work. Hindi puro salita, may konkretong ebidensya. Kita mo yung bilis, kita mo yung sistema, at kita mo yung empathy. At the end of the day, the message is clear. When leadership has heart, communities rise faster. Under President Marcos Jr., aid is fast, coordinated, and truly for the people. No empty promises. Just real, concrete action that changes lives. Mga Kachilift, this is the Philippines we want to see, Bayanihan, powered by fast, hands-on leadership ni PBBM. If you want more stories that lift the heart, hit like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep spreading hope, one real action story at a time.